In this video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs Dubbing in 2026. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to ElevenLabs. Log in to your account and open the dubbing tool from the available features. ElevenLabs Dubbing can help you adapt spoken content into another language while maintaining a natural voice experience. This can be useful for videos, educational content, podcasts, and other projects. To get started, prepare the video or audio file that you want to dub. Make sure you have the necessary rights and permission to use the content. Next, upload your file to the dubbing tool. Once the file is uploaded, ElevenLabs will process the spoken content and identify the dialogue. You'll then need to select the target language you want to use for the dubbed version. Choose the language that matches the audience you want to reach. After selecting the language, start the dubbing process. ElevenLabs will process the original speech and generate the translated version in the selected language. Once the dubbing is complete, listen to the result carefully. Check the translation, pronunciation, timing, and overall voice quality. If the translated content doesn't sound correct, review the available editing options and make adjustments where possible. Pay special attention to names, technical terms, numbers, and phrases that may need additional review.